Heather from Guy Kids for Kids. Before we do some cool stuff, please like and subscribe. So what I am going to show you today is my 3D printer. I think it's really cool, and I'm going to show you how I made some cool stuff, and I'm going to make some more cool stuff. Let's go! I'm changing out the color, and this is how we put the new color on. Now I'm gonna put the coloring in. And insert it. This is where all the magic happens. This is where it builds up, and now I'm going to put it in there. Already. My Debo is a music man, and I drew this for him. So now we're gonna print it. So I can use my app on my phone to see how long I have left on my project. So if I go into the app and it shows right here, let it load, that it's so cool. And I have 10 minutes and 22 seconds left, it says. So cool. And this is the coolest thing ever. I got that Adele song stuck in my head. Now it's done and it's time to cool. It's so cool. Look at this. I drew this. It's complete. Now it's time to dry. And look at this. I drew this and it printed it. I love my toy box. It's cooled off. Now we're going to remove the magnetic base. And now is the moment of truth. We carefully take it off. Oh, it's so cool. And look at the back. It has red outlines on it. That's so cool. The reason it has red outlines on it is because when I switched colors, it still had a little bit of red left in it. So it's blue with red outlines, and it's so cool. I love my toy box. It's super cool, and I can be creative, so I think every kid should have one.